Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to install Docker on Linux. Now, first, I'll do curl command. I'll get the Docker. Okay. I'm doing curl, then get .com -o get docker.sh. So this should download a Docker script. Okay. I need to do some proxy configurations. Now I'll give the command. So the curl -f stands for fail silently, then in the silent mode, and then L for location as specified, and capital S is for show errors. I'm trying this again. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I got that script. Now I need to run this script. I give sudo command super user, then sh get docker.sh. I give sudo command super user, then sh get docker.sh.